Good afternoon, guys. Holy cow, look at the wind out here. It is super windy and there's like debris flying everywhere. Look at all these pine needles. Most of that is just from last night. So it has been very windy indeed. Right, Alice? Yes. Oh my goodness. And I have my fabric scraps all over the place. Sorted for the different projects that I want to do with them. But for my quilt, I have them all spread out here because I washed them and then I separated them into lights and darks because the pattern half is light and half is dark, and I have a lot more lights than darks, so I'm not sure how that's going to affect things. Shouldn't. So, and if I can't follow it perfectly, that's fine too, because the experience will be well worth it. So, and I have another lemon sprout coming up. It's not as green as the first one, for whatever reason, but it's exciting. And it's been a busy day so far of dishes and vacuuming and laundrying and cleaning in general. So, and drying rags randomly. So, yes, very blustery, and we're hoping to do some pumpkins, maybe. And I just finished putting up my, well, it's almost up. It's a comparison of my Ice Dancers short dances, because Skate Canada is going on right now in New Brunswick, and the former, or reigning, I guess, Ice Dance Olympians, Tessa Virtue and Scott Moyer, have just competed their short dance yesterday, I believe, and their free dance is today, and I saw the first glimpse of it from somebody very knowledgeable. I'm wondering if they were a judge or something, but they wouldn't be able to release videos. I'm not sure, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous free dance. And comparing their two scores, Davis and White and Virtue and Moyer, Davis and White are still ahead by about 2.5 points. So we'll see how they continue to progress. Less than 140 days, I think, until the Olympics. So very exciting, and yeah, we're gonna run out and grab paint for my boo letters. I'm hoping to spray paint those today, possibly, if I can do that and let them dry without getting pine needles stuck to the paint. We'll see. And then maybe we'll see. I won't plan too far. Well, we are back from our errands. We did a fantastic, I'd say. We got Christmas presents for all of the nieces and nephews, which we weren't planning on at all. It just kind of happened. So that's nice. So because we got back so late, it's like quarter after 7. We're gonna do some macaroni and cheese and baked beans and steaming some broccoli. So that's the plan. And let's see, I got all my fabric sorted. I think I'm gonna start cutting it next. And we got paint from Walmart, black paint, so we were gonna do spray paint, but it was raining, and so I didn't think I'd be able to finish. So hubby had the great idea to get this kind of paint and just paint it on. So, and I'm excited to do that maybe tomorrow. And macaroni's done. So, yes. Alright, so we finished supper and we watched an episode of NCIS Los Angeles. And now I get to start tackling the mess. And right here. And putting all gifts in a stash spot, stashing them away until they're wrapped, and doing some dishes, laundry, working on a montage right now for my other channel, and yes, tired. I have a little more energy now that I've eaten, but tired, so yes. We'll see if I get to painting my letters or not. And Alice wants to play fetch. Don't you? You want to play fetch? Where's your ball? You're going to show us where your ball is? Look at those beautiful eyes sparkling. Where's your ball? Oh, you've already given it to me. Oh my goodness. And you've stolen it away. Alice, I cannot throw it if you don't give it back to me. Here. Give it to me. Gotta go. Let go. Alice. Gonna go.